Plane versus bird. Who wins? Hey everyone! Today, we're going to make an interesting comparison between one of nature's amazing creatures, birds, and the technological marvels, small robotic airplanes. Birds, after thousands of years of evolutionary processes, have developed graceful wing structures and incredible flight capabilities that allow them to glide freely through the air. Fast, agile, and with excellent maneuverability, birds are some of the most efficient flyers in nature. But what about robotic airplanes? Thanks to the advancements in technology, small robotic planes can be surprisingly efficient. With advanced sensors, artificial intelligence, and excellent aerodynamic designs, these robots can cover long distances quickly and even perform well in challenging weather conditions. But which one is superior? If we're talking about speed, birds, especially species like falcons, are real champions when it comes to speed. But robotic planes can outperform birds in certain tasks, thanks to their precision, flying, and endurance. Now, what about agility? Birds can maneuver in tight spaces much better than robotic airplanes. While robots can still have some limitations in terms of maneuvering, birds have perfected their ability to fly in narrow areas. But let's not forget, planes and birds serve entirely different purposes. Birds are part of nature, while planes are technological masterpieces made by humans. So, which one is your favorite? Share your thoughts in the comments and join this fun showdown. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.